Welcome back to the channel. In the previous episodes, I introduced you to my father's old SAAB 95 and we got the engine running again. Now, it's time to prepare it for the move from its current location in my backyard to the garage. As you can see, we've been using this car as a storage container for spare car parts. We need to clear all of these out before we can move the car efficiently. But some of the parts are actually for this car, so we'll bring anything related with us to the garage. In the last episode, we managed to get the engine running, but we weren't able to break free the last brake rotor. What I didn't realize then was that the handbrake might have been engaged sometime during the last couple of years. And if you have any experience with the handbrake mechanisms on these cars, you might know that they have a habit of rusting solid. So even if the handbrake wasn't engaged when we started working on the car now, the actual handbrake mechanism might still be engaged. I started off by trying to back off the expansion lever on the back of the wheel hub. After that, I tried to get the brake components moving on the inside of the drum. After not knowing if what I did was enough to do anything, I returned to my tactic of trying to break free the rotor.
It's moving.
After finally getting some movement out of it, I decided it was time to give it another try on the asphalt. And as you can see, it finally broke free. Now the car is ready to go to the garage to start the real work. In the next episode of this revival, we take this car to the garage and I will show you how to legally move any car in Sweden without that much money or a special license. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more of these car-related videos. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions or any suggestions on what you would like to see me do on the channel. And I will see you in the next video.